recently CBSE has released the standard maths sample question paper, and the solutions of that has been discussed in details in videos, right? Already part A has been released. The link is given in the description box. Okay, and you also okay, and now we are getting into the part B. Okay, in this question paper for the year 2020-21, CBSE has been made this some of the questions as case study based problem, right? Now we are handling one such problem, that is in part B. Now let us move on to the sessions now, right? Right. Okay, see the first problem. The first problem, as I told here, it is a case study problem. Okay, a base diagram is given here. Okay, now see here, there are four walls of the sunroom. Therefore, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and the back side is 4. Okay, and the roof is made using 4 clear glass panels. Therefore, this is 1, 2, this is 3, and this is 4, right? Which is trapezium in shape, which is clear by the diagram, and all are of same size. One tinted glass panel, half a regular octagon in shape. You see here, this is going to be a regular octagon, half an octagon. Okay, half of an regular octagon. If you complete, at least half of that is 4. If you complete this, is going to be a full regular octagon, right? Now the same diagram, it has been given as a top view as well as the front view, right? Okay, now before starting into the problem, we have to understand this problem in one point of view. Okay, first let us say that by understanding this, all the questions we can able to handle it very easily, right? Okay, just to have a watch in this problem. If you see this diagram, this is going to be the mark is given, it is x-axis, and this is y-axis, right? This is x-axis and y-axis, it is already given in the problem, right? And what is the scale reference given here? A scale is 1 meter reference, okay, and it is specified in the problem. Therefore, what is the understanding here? Just to see it, listen carefully, we can understand from this. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the way it is going on, right? For example, if we try to calculate what is the coordinate of A, the coordinate of A is, if you see here, on the x-axis it is at 1 point. Therefore, what is the coordinate of A? Among the x-axis it is 1, comma. What happens to the y coordinate? If you see the y coordinate value here, from it is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, therefore this is the position for A. That means what is the y coordinate for A? It is going to be 8. Okay, this is going to be 8, right? Therefore, in this way, the coordinates of the points A, B, C, D, all these things has been specified in our problem. Therefore, now I think everybody understands how the coordinates of A, P, Q, R, B, all these things are evaluated, all these things are to be estimated, right? Therefore, keep this reference for your problem. From this, we are going to the original problem now, right? Right. Okay, I think now everybody knows the way how the coordinates A, B, P, Q, R, or in particular if you see the top value A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, all are estimated, right? Now let us move on to the first problem. The first problem says that find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points J 6, 17 and I 9, 16. Everybody knows the midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y1 plus y2 by 2. That is, this is x1, this is x2, In the same way, we can mention it as y1 plus y2 divided by 2, which is going to be 15 by 2 comma 33 by 2. Ultimately, our correct answer is the third answer, right? See, okay. Therefore, it's a very simple problem given this here, right? Now, let us move on to the next problem. That is question number B. Okay, that is refer to the top view. Find the distance from the distance of the point P from the y-axis. Okay, distance from the point P from the y-axis. I think we can judge from this front view itself. I think everybody knows how to estimate the distance from the x-axis and y-axis, right? Come on, see here. This is 0, this is y value is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, right. Therefore, what is the distance of the point P from the y-axis? It is going to be 4. Therefore, which is going to be the correct answer? The first option is going to be the correct answer now, right? Now, let us move on to the next question. Find the distance between the points capital A and capital S. Okay, right. That means we want to find the distance between the points A and S, right? Come on, see here. Come on, see. It is very simple. From A, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then this is 15, next it is 16. Therefore, what is the distance? It is 16. That is the option 3 is our correct answers, right? Right. Okay. Then, what is the next question asked? Question number D. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points capital A and capital B in the ratio 1:3 internally, right? Okay, now see the diagram. A is already we discussed, it is 1 comma 8, and what is the next point? It is given to be B. B is going to be 5 comma 10. Okay, see the reference is from here. This is going to be A is 8, means from A it is how many axes moved up? That is 1, 2. That means in the y coordinate it is 2 units up. Okay, that means the coordinate of A is 1 comma 8 and the coordinates of B is 5 comma 10. It is internally in the ratio 1:3. Therefore, everybody knows the section formula. I think it is clear, right, sir? Right. If you see here, what is that? M into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n. In the same way, m into, right sir, m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. That means we are getting 8 by 4 comma 35 by 4, that is 2 comma 8.5. Therefore 2 comma 8.5 belongs to the option number 4. Therefore the correct answer is the fourth option, right? Let us move on to the next problem. If a point x comma y is equidistant from the point q 9 comma 8 and s 17 comma 8. See the diagram here. Q as well as S. Therefore, Q is 9 because A, P, or Q or S are in the same positions, right? Therefore, naturally, x coordinate only changes. The y coordinate remains the same. Therefore, at A, what is the y coordinate? It is going to be 8. Okay. Therefore, automatically A, P, Q, or S, the y coordinate will be 8. Okay. Right. Therefore, with that understanding, therefore Q is 9 comma 8 and S is 17 comma 8. What is the given question here? X comma y is equidistant from Q and S. If P, let us assume that P is a point which is equidistant from Q and S. Come on, apply the distance formula. That is x minus 9 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square equal to x minus 17 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square, right? Here naturally this y minus 8 will be getting cancelled. Now make the expansion of this x minus 9 the whole square. and x minus 17 the whole square. After making the expansion, x square will be cancelled out. Come on, rearrange the terms here. That is, I am bringing everything in one side. I am bringing x in one side and the constants in the other side. That means 34x minus 18x is equal to 289 minus 81. That means when you subtract, I am getting x is equal to 13. Therefore, x is equal to 13 means what is the meaning? X minus 13 equal to 0. X minus 13 equal to 0 corresponds to the second option. Therefore, what is the correct option here? Option 2 is the correct answer according to the given problem. Right? Right. Therefore, this time in CBSE, part B questions in the sample paper, it is mostly as a case study based problem. Right? Right. Now let us move on to the second problem here. Now let us move on to the next question, second problem. Okay, a scale drawing of an object is given. You see here, it is talking about the similarity and the scale factors, right? Right? I think it is this problem is a simple problem. They are trying to confuse with respect to the diagrams, right? We have to understand the word similar figures. Everybody knows about this. Okay, right. I think the questions mainly it is asked about the similarity between the diagrams. Okay, okay, right. Everybody aware of the similarity of the similar triangles, right? Therefore, this figure explains about the translation or sliding. This is about the rotation. This is about the reflection or flip. This is the translation or slide. Translation or slide already given, right? Translation or slide. Therefore, remember this word. This sentence is going to make a meaning in our set of problems, right? Right. Now let us move on to the problem. Come on, see here. The model of the boat is made up of the scale 1:4. The model is 120 centimeter long. The full size of the boat is 60 centimeter. What is the width of the scale? What is the width of the scale model? I think they are making a prototype model, right? They are making a model of a boat. After making of the model of the boat, they are making it is with the scale 1:4. Therefore, the answer is very simple. What is the full size of the boat? It is 60 centimeter. Therefore, what is the ratio given here? It is the given ratio is 1:4. Therefore, not naturally, what is the width? The width is, what is the width here? It is 1:4 means 60. Do you understand? 60 divided by 4, that is equal to 15. Therefore, option 3 is going to be the correct answer for our problem, right? Next question, which will affect the similarity of two polygons? If they whether flipped horizontally will not affect the similarity, dilated of the scale factor cannot affect it, translating down it cannot be affect the similarity. Therefore, which will affect if they are not the mirror image of one another? Sure, it will affect the similarity of two polygons. Therefore, answer is option number 4, right? Okay, see here, by the understanding of the diagram we can able to complete our problem. Two similar triangles are in the scale factor a is to b. Which of the statement given below regarding two triangles are true? See here, the ratio of the perimeters, if we have similar triangles, what happens to the ratio of the triangles? Sure, it is not going to be this answer. What is going to be the medians? It cannot be a by 2 is to b. Everybody knows this. What is the angle of bisectors? Sure, it is not a square is to b square. Therefore, which is the clear answer? A is to b is going to be the clear answer, right? Right. Therefore, what is the right answer now? See the problem, next problem. Shadow of a stick of 5 meter long is 2 meter. Okay, it is 2 meter. At the same time, the shadow of a tree which is of 12.5 meter high is what? Okay, everybody knows that it's a very simple question. Therefore, what is the answer? If the shadow of the tree is t meters, if the shadow of the tree is t meters, then what is the answer here? 12.5 divided by 5 equal to t by 2. That means t equal to 5 meters. T equal to 5 means which is the right answer? The fourth option is the correct answer here. Therefore, the case study, the diagram is giving a hint how to start the problem, right? Therefore, by seeing the case study diagram, we have to bring the idea of the concept in the mind. What I mean that is, concept means suppose the problem is talking about the similarity of the objects means see the diagram, it is about the triangles or it is about the polygon, something like that, right? Right. Now let us move on to the next problem. Below C, a student is making a mathematical model of a farmhouse. Okay, right. ABCD is the model. ABCD in the model is a square. The beams, okay, ABCD is the base, okay, right? And after that, what is given? The beams or beams that support the roofs or the edges of the rectangular prism. Okay, the diagram is very clear. E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N. E is the middle of, okay, E is in the middle of AT. In the same way, F is the middle of BT. Now itself, you know what is the answer. H is the middle of CT. H is the middle of DT. Then all the edges of the model having 12 meter. This is going to be 12 meter. Then what is the length of EF if EF is one of the horizontal edge? Okay, right. Come on. Therefore, they are asking what is the value of this edge EF, right? Therefore, what is the value of the edge? Because it lies in the mid of AT. E is in the mid of AT and F is in the mid of BT, right? Therefore, naturally, what is the length of this? It is going to be 12 by 2, which is going to be 6 centimeter, 6 centimeters, sorry, 6 meters. That means our answer is the third option, 6 meters here, right? Right. Now let us go to the next problem, case study based, which is about the applications of parabola. It is deployed in the concept of highway, overpass, underpass. Okay, the structure is given here. It is based on the bridges. Okay, right. It is talking about this place. It is talking about the underpass and overpass. Therefore, this is the underpass, and which is the overpass? This is going to be the overpass. Okay, this is going to be the overpass. Right. Let us get into the problem. Clearly we can understand it is a parabola. Let us move on to the problem now. Therefore, the problem is going to be based on the parabola, right? If the highway overpass is represented as a x square minus 2x minus 8, then find its zeros. Okay, then find its zeros. That means which of the following is going to be the zeros, right? Therefore, take the given equation. Zeros means it means like to be the roots, right? Solve the equation. We are getting x minus 4, x minus 2 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 2. That means what are the points here? 4 comma minus 2. That means our correct option is the option number 2, right? Now let us get on to the next problem. The highway, if the highway overpass is represented graphically, zeros of your polynomials can be expressed in graphically. Number of zeros of a polynomial is equal to the number of points where the graph of the polynomial intersects, where intersects on the x-axis, y-axis, y-axis or x-axis, none of the above. From the previous problem we understand the zeros are clearly intersecting on x-axis, right? That means obviously which is the answer? Our first option is going to be our answer. Okay, right. Now let us move on to the next problem. The graph of a quadratic polynomial is, it is a clear question because everybody understands if the problem is a quadratic polynomial, naturally it is going to be a parabola. Therefore, there is no doubt at all, right? Next, the representation of highway underpass whose 1 0 is 6 and the sum of the zeros is 0, right? Understand? 1 0 is 6 and the sum of the 0 is 0, right? The problem is a very simple problem, everybody knows. Okay, take one of the 0 as a, and what is given here, sum of the zeros is equal to, sum of the zeros is equal to 0. That means what is given here, a plus b equal to 6. That means that means therefore a plus b equal to 6. Okay, already it is given a equal to 6 here, substitute it there. That means 6 plus b equal to 0. That means b equal to minus 6. Therefore one of the 0 is 6, other 0 is minus 6. Therefore what is the quadratic representation? That is x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Therefore put all the answers here. That is x square. What happens to sum of the zeros? That is 6 plus minus 6. It is going to be 0. What is going to be the product? That is 6 minus 6. 6 into minus 6. Therefore what is our final answer? X square minus 36. Therefore our correct answer is x square minus 36. That is going to be option 2. Right? Right. Next question. The number of zeros that the polynomial f of x is equal to x minus 2 the whole square plus 4 can have is, it's very simple. It is a quadratic expression. Therefore what will be the number of zeros? It is going to be 2. Therefore which is the correct answer? Right? The next problem is going to be a 100-meter race problem. A stopwatch is used to find the time taken by a group of students to make a 100-meter dash. This is the table provided as an information. Time is specified in seconds and the number of students are given in the next row, right? Therefore what can we understand from here? The problem is going to be related to mean, median and mode, right? Therefore see the problem. The first problem is about to find the mean time taken by the student to complete the race, right? Therefore if you see here from the table, compute all the values, right? Okay, everybody knows what is the mean formula, that is sigma fx divided by sigma f. Therefore what is the x value? X value is to be the mid value. How to calculate the mid? That is, it is going to be the mid of this, right? Therefore 0 plus 20 divided by 2, it is 10. Once again 20 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 30. In the same way we have to calculate this. Therefore take this number, put it as a numerator and this as a denominator. This is going to be 43. Therefore our correct choice is 3 here, right? Right. See the next one. What is the upper limit of the model class? Okay, what do you mean by a model class? Model class corresponds to the mode. Okay, what is the mode? Mode is the one which has higher frequency, that is the highest frequency, right? If you see the table, which is having the highest frequency, 30 is the highest, 13 is the highest frequency, and what is its corresponding class interval? It is 40 to 60. That means what is the model class? Model class is 40 comma 60. But what is the upper limit? 60 is the upper limit. Which is the answer here? Option 3 is the correct answer now. Right. Now let us go to the next problem. The construction of the cumulative frequency is usual in determining about the what. The cumulative frequency, we know it is only applicable for the median, right? Therefore naturally the answer corresponds to that is the median, right? Therefore the correct choice is 2, right? Right. Next is sum of the lower limits of the median class and the model class. We know the model class. Already we know the model class is 40 comma 60. Therefore for the model class, what is the lower limit? The lower limit is 40. Now let us work on this median class. What is the median class? For the median class we need the cumulative frequency, right? Therefore estimate the cumulative frequency here. Everybody knows this is start with the first number. What is the next number? 8 plus 18. 8 plus 10, that is 18. What is the next number? 18 plus 13, that is 31. 31 plus 6, 37. 37 plus 3, it is 40, right? Therefore, what is the total number of frequencies? It is 40. Therefore, to identify the median class, divide by 2. 40 is an even number. Divide by 2. If you divide this, it is going to be 20. Therefore, 20 corresponds to the value which lies in between 18 to 31. That means what is the median class? It is 40 to 60. But the problem asks about the lower limits. Therefore, here the lower limit is once again 40. Therefore, for the model class, the lower limit is 40. For the median class, the lower limit is 40. That means the total is 80. Therefore, 80 corresponds to the answer option number 3. Right? The next question. How many students finish the race in 1 minute? This is a very simple question here. Okay. See the table now. If you see the table here, come on, because it is given in number of seconds, time is specified in seconds. Therefore 0 to 20 seconds, 40 seconds, 60 seconds, right? Therefore in 1 minute means it is going to be 60 seconds. Therefore what is the total number of students? 8 plus 10 plus 13. 8 plus 10 plus 13 is 18 plus 13, it is going to be 31, right? Therefore 31 is going to be the correct answer, exactly, right? 31 is going to be the correct answer, which is option number 3. Okay, right. Now let us move on to the next part. Question number 21. What is the problem? Says 3 bells rang at an interval 4, 7 and 14 minutes. All the 3 bells rang together at 6 a.m. The question asked is, when does all the 3 bells ring together next time? Okay, that means what is the observation here? We have to find the LCM of 4, 7 and 14. We got the answer as 28 because it's a very simple question. Therefore from this, what do we understand from here? That is the after 6 a.m. when does it ring? That means after 6 a.m. the next minute arrives by the LCM is 28. That means the bell rings at the time of 6:28 a.m. Right? Now, good. Now let us move on to the next question. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from the points P, from the point 2 comma minus 2 and 4 comma minus 4 comma 2. This is a very simple question. Okay. Therefore, let x comma be x comma, take a point x comma 0 which is on the x-axis, right? Therefore, which is observed to be equidistant, Therefore, if you take a point here, what happens here? Everybody knows about the equidistance characterization, right? Okay, everybody knows about this. Therefore, this is going to be capital A and this is capital B. Okay, therefore, this is the point capital P. This is the point capital P which lies on the x-axis, right? Come on, try to find out the distance formula. Okay, that is APB, because it is equidistant, AP equal to AB. If you work out the distance, I think everybody aware of this. 2 minus x the whole square minus 2 minus 0 the whole square equal to x minus minus 4, that is x plus, this is 0 minus 2 the whole square. If you remove the square root, okay, everything will be, square roots will be getting out, 4 and 4 will be removed out. Now make the expansion of this 2 minus x the whole square, that is x square minus 4x plus 8. Once again, I think this 4 has been cancelled, remember that, right? Therefore the expansion of this term is x square plus 8x plus 20. Therefore ultimately from the left hand side and right hand side x square will be getting out. If you simplify the terms, what happens here? 12x is equal to 12, that means x is equal to minus 1. Therefore what is the point here? The point observed to be minus 1 comma 0, right? Okay, right. Now come to the R question, either or type. The problem is an either or type. Let us come to the R type problem. Now let us move on to the R question. Okay, P and Q are any 2 points. Find the coordinates of R on PQ such that PQ or PR equal to 2 times of QR. Okay, if you see here the ratio given it is PR equal to 2 times of QR. Okay, that means PR by QR is equal to 2 by 1. That is QR equal to 2:1. Therefore, it is very clearly we have to get involved of the section formula. Okay, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. The points are available here. Therefore, this is m1 and m2. Okay, this is m1 and m2. Come on, try to apply the formula now. Okay, that is 2 into m2, that is, see here, 2 into m2 plus m2 into x1, that is minus 2 divided by 2 into 3. What is the next one? m1 into y2, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1, this is 5. Therefore, if you see here, this is going to be 4 by 3, and sorry, I think it's wrong, 4 plus 5, this is equal to 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3 here. Therefore, the answer is 4 by 3 comma 3 here. Right. Now, I think it is a very direct question. It is a very simple question. Everybody can understand easily the logic behind to this. Right. Now, let us move on to the next question. Right. Question number 23. Find the quadratic polynomial whose roots are 5 minus 3 root 2 and 5 plus 3 root 2. It's a very simplest question. Take alpha equal to this and b equal to the another root 5 minus 3, 5 plus 3 root 2. Everybody knows how to construct the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus sum of the roots plus product of the roots. Okay, now express the roots here. That is alpha is 5 minus 3 root 2 and beta is this one. Alpha multiplied by beta is represented here. Naturally, here what happens? 3 root 2 and minus 3 root 2 will be getting cancelled. Therefore, ultimately we have 5 and 5, that is going to be 10. What is the next one? This is a plus b and a minus b, that is going to be a square minus b square. Therefore, this is ultimately we are getting x square minus 10x plus 7. Therefore, this is our required formula, that is a required quadratic polynomial for the given roots 5 minus 3 root 2 and 5 plus 3 root 2. Right? It is a very simple direct question. We can able to answer it off. Right? Now come to the question number 24. Question number 24 is about the construction problem. Right? Draw a line segment AB of length 9 centimeters. By taking A and B as centers, draw the circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm respectively. Then construct the tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Therefore, it is a construction problem. It's a very easy question, very simpler question. Now let us move on to the next question. Now construction is very simple. Nobody avoids the construction problem, right? Now our main work is about the descriptive type. Okay, now let us get into question number 25. Right, what is question number 25 says? It is an either or problem. Okay, tan A equal to 3 by 4. Find the value of 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A. Right? Therefore, if tan A equal to 3 by 4 means, everybody knows by Pythagoras theorem, right sir? Sin A equal to 3 by 5 and cos A equal to 4 by 5. You know or not? It's very simple. It's going to be 3 by 4 means, what is tan A? What is tan A? Opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, if you draw a triangle, we can get it out very easily from the concepts here, right? Therefore, as we are aware of the case sin A equal to 3 by 4 and cos A equal to 4 by 5, straight get into the answers now. 1 by sin A plus 1 by cos A, that is 1 by 3 by 5 plus 1 by 4 by 5, that is going to be reverse the values. That means we are getting, that is take the LCM of this, that is 20 plus 15 by 12, that is equal to 35 by 12, right? The answer is very straight here. Okay, now let us move on to the R problem. Okay, therefore what is given here in the R problem? Root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta and 0 less than theta less than 90 degree. Find the value of theta. Okay, therefore bring this cos theta to the other side. We have worked down here. Bring the cos theta to the other side. Then is simple. Sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 by root 3. Rearrange the terms. It is 1 by root 3. Everybody knows sin by cos is going to be tan theta. 1 by root 3 is going to be tan 30. By comparison, what is the angle? What is the angle theta? Theta is going to be 30 degree here. Sir, the questions here, it is very simple, very easy, so that everybody can answer it straight away. Straight away we can get it to the values. Okay, right. Now let us move on to the question number 26. In question number 26, a quadrilateral ABCD it's circumscribing a circle of center O. It is clearly specified here. And what is the next one? AD is perpendicular to BA. It's very clear. AD is perpendicular to BA. Okay, and one more, what is given here? If a radius of the in circle is 10 centimeter, then find the value of x. Okay, what is going to be the value of x? Value of x is actually the length AB, right? Therefore, what is actually AB? AB is going to be AP plus PB. That means if we estimate the quantities of AP and PB, then adding together, we are going to get the value of AB, right? That is the value of x. Okay, therefore, as based on the problem, we can observe something, right? Therefore, everybody knows OQ is equal to OR, right, sir? OQ equal to OR by the property. And one more observation we have, that is PQ is equal to PB, right? These are all based on the properties. Everybody knows this, right? Therefore, these are all based on the properties. We can understand easily. Okay, right. Now keep these observations in the mind. Keeping these observations in the mind, let us move on to the problem. Right now, see here, I am writing whatever given in the problem. That is angle. That is what is given here. It is going to be 90 degree here. Therefore, see here what is going to be the angle of P. It is going to be a 90 degree. And what is angle of S? Naturally, it is going to be 90 degree. Okay, right? Therefore, APOS forms a square. Therefore, as it forms a square, what is AP? It is going to be 10 centimeter. Why we need the value of AP? AP is needed because we want to estimate AB here, right? To find the estimate, we need two quantities. One is AP, another one is PB, right? Therefore, already with reference to the problem, we got the answer of AP here, right? Okay, now it is enough to find only the other quantity PB, right? Now, based on the given observation, we have to work out our problem. Therefore, come on, see here, sir. Therefore, by theorem also we know that CR is equal to CQ. That is, the value of CR is equal to CQ, but CR is given to be 20 centimeter. That means ultimately CQ is also going to be 27 centimeters, right? Right. Now, what is CB given in the problem? The CB given, it is 38 centimeter. But what is given in the problem here? CQ is 27 centimeter. See here, CB is 38, but CQ is going to be 38. Sorry. CB is going to be 38. What is CQ? CQ is going to be 27. Therefore, what is the value of PQ? Therefore, what is the value of BQ? The value of BQ is going to be 38 minus 27, that is equal to 11. As just now we discussed, what is that? BQ is equal to PB, right? That means what is the that means what is the value of AB? AB equal to AP plus PB, right? That means already we have observed that the value of AP is 10 centimeter, and already we estimated just now the value of PB is 11 centimeter. That means it is going to be 21 centimeters here, right? Right. Now let us proceed to the next problem number 27. That is, prove that 2 minus square root of 3 is irrational given that root 3 is irrational. This is a very simple question. But in this model, always a question will be asked. Keep it in mind. And what is the standard observation? We know that irrational plus rational number is always an irrational number. Therefore, out of this quantity, which is an irrational quantity, everybody knows root 3 is an irrational quantity, right? Okay, since root 3 is becoming an irrational quantity, the addition of very irrational with a rational number is always irrational. Therefore, as root 3 is irrational, 2 minus root 3 is irrational. Everybody knows the reason, but we have to justify this, right? Okay, let us move on to the problem. On contrary, let us assume that it is rational. That means every rational number can be represented as p by q. We know that p and q are co-primes. Okay, therefore bring this answer to the other side. That means bring this root 3 to the other side and p by q to this side. That is 2 minus p by q equal to root of 3. Come on, see the left hand side. The left hand side is going to be a rational quantity, but the right hand side is going to be an irrational quantity. Therefore, everybody knows a rational quantity cannot be equal to an irrational quantity. Why such a thing happened? Why such a things incident happen? Because on contrary we have assumed 2 minus root 3 is a rational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. That means our conclusion 2 minus root 3 is irrational is the right answer now. Okay, right. Now let us move on to the next question 28. If one root of the quadratic equation is given by this is 2 by 3, then find the value of p and also find the other root of the equation, right? Therefore, let us take x is the root of this equation, that is 2 by 3. That is one root of the quadratic equation is 2 by 3. That means the root satisfies the equation. If the root satisfies the equation means f of 2 by 3 equal to 0. That means substitute that quantity here. That means instead of x you put 2 by 3. If you put 2 by 3, what happens? I think everybody understands very clearly. Okay, therefore 3 into 4 by 9. Therefore, if you cancelling this, I am getting 4 by 3. This is going to be 2 pi by 3 and this is going to be 4. Now take the common denominator, that is 4 plus 2p plus 4 plus 2p plus 12 equal to 0. That means from this we are getting p equal to minus 8. Now, therefore we obtain the value of p, and what is our next duty? Our work is to find the other root. Okay, therefore take the given quadratic equation. Therefore, what does it mean? One root is given, we have to find the other root here. Okay, now rewrite your quadratic equation, that is 3x square plus p, we have to replace it by minus 8. Okay, p is given by minus 8, and that means we have to obtain the other answer. There are so many methods are there. If one root is given, we know how to find the other root, but the easiest way is, the simplest way is, go by the factorization. Okay, therefore everybody knows about the factorization. Split the middle part, minus 6x minus 2x, take the terms in common, that is take minus 3x common. Therefore this is going to be x minus 2. Here take minus 2 outside, the balance is x minus 2. If you put x minus 2 outside, then the balance is 3x minus 2, that is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 by 3. Already 2 by 3 is one of the root already given in the problem. Therefore, what is the other root of the given quadratic expression? The other root of the quadratic expression is x is equal to 2. Okay, right. Now let us move on to the R question. The roots alpha beta of the quadratic equation, this is here x square minus etc. Okay, are such that alpha minus beta equal to 1, then find the value of k. It's a very simple question, right? There is a relation is given alpha minus beta equal to 1. From this we have to find the value of k here, right? Okay, now let us move on to the proof. Okay, therefore alpha and beta of the, therefore this is the question given here. Therefore, everybody knows about the sum of the roots. The sum of the roots is minus b by a, that is equal to minus 5 by minus of minus 5 by 5, sorry, divided by 1, that is equal to 5. That means the sum of the roots equal to 5. Already in the question given alpha minus beta equal to 1. Take these two equations, that is equation 1 and equation 2, solve these two equations. By solving we are getting alpha equal to 3. By substituting in one among the equations, that is I am putting in equation 1, that is alpha minus beta equal to 2, we are getting beta equal to 2. Therefore, by the way, we are getting two answers, one for alpha and another for beta. Okay, what is our aim? Our aim is to find the value of k. That means take the value of alpha beta product of the roots. Everybody knows it is c by a. Okay, but already alpha and beta are available in the question. Take this alpha 3 here, take this beta here, that is 2 here, that is equal to 3 into k minus 1. That means ultimately k equal to 3 here, right? Therefore this is also a very simple question. We can answer it here, right? Therefore, if you see here, the problems in the 3 marks are very simple. But whenever the problem are in descriptive or little lengthier, spend more time, spend little extra time there, and these type of easy questions make it very fast. Okay, right. Okay, then now in question number 29, ABCD is a square of 14 centimeter. Semicircles are drawn in each side of a square as a diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Therefore, what is the area of the shaded region? That is going to be the area of the square minus this portions, right? Minus this portions. Okay, minus this portion. What is this? This portion means these portions. Are you clear? Okay, therefore this portion can be split into two parts. This portion can be split into two parts. By subdividing into half, these two regions will be equal, right? Therefore what can we do now? How to evaluate the problem now? That is, I am drawing a perpendicular. Okay, if you draw the perpendicular, sure it will be bisecting in the half. Therefore the total side of the square is 14. That means this length will be 7 centimeter, right? Therefore, how to find this portion? It means the area of the sector minus area of the rectangle. Okay, that means ultimately we are going to get this half portion. How many half portions are there like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, therefore this is the construction of our problem now, right? Now let us move on to the problem. Area of the square is 14 centimeter. Okay, and sorry, the side area of the square is 14 square, that is equal to 196. What is the area of the one segment? This is the segment I am talking, right? See here, this is the segment I am talking now. Okay, what is the area of the segment? That is equal to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Everybody knows the formula of this. Substitute all the quantity. Everybody knows theta is going to be a 90 degree. Everybody aware that the theta is 90 degree. Therefore 90 divided by 360 into pi by 7 square. This is half into BH. If you find out the answers, we are getting 77 by 2 minus 49 by 2, that is 28 by 2, that is going to be 14 centimeter square, right? Now how many such portions are there? We are having 8 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means multiply by 8. That means 8 multiplied by 14. We are getting 112 centimeter square. Just now what we observed from the problem, what is the area of the shaded region? Area of the shaded region is the area of the square minus these segments, right? That means 196, that is going to be the area of the square, minus 112, that is equal to 84 centimeter square, right? Therefore this problem is a very simplest model. but we have to understand the construction of the problem in behind to the situations, right? Okay, see here question number 30. The perimeter of, it is an either or type, the perimeter of two similar triangles are 25 centimeters and 50 centimeter. If one side of the triangle is 9 centimeter, if one side of the triangle is 9 centimeter, find the length of the corresponding side of the another similar triangle, similar side of the second triangle. Therefore, the construction very clear. ABC and PQR are two similar triangles. The perimeters are going to be 25 and 15. Therefore, let us take P1 and P2 as the perimeters. It is given in the problem. It is 25 and 15. Since the given triangle is similar, what can we understand from here? The understanding is AC by PR is equal to P1 by P2. Everybody aware of this situations, right? Right. So substitute all the values whatever we have. That is AC by PR is going to be 25 by 15. P1 is 9. Oh, sorry. AC by PR equal to 9 by 6, and P1 by P2 is going to be 25 by 15. Therefore 25 by 15 equal to 9 by x. That means x is equal to 5.4 centimeters. Right? Right. Now let us move on to the other type. Now let us move on to the next question. Okay, take in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on the side BC such that BD equal to 1 by 3 into BC. Show that 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Everybody knows this problem is a very important problem. Okay, it is repeatedly asked many times in the examinations, right? Therefore, everybody aware of the situations. Therefore, don't ignore this problem. This problem is regularly asked in many question papers, right? Right. Now see the problem. It is an equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle means all the sides are, all the length of the sides are same. That is AB equal to BC equal to CA, right? But what is the other observation given? D is a point on the side BC such that, okay, D is a point on the such that BD equal to, what is given here? BD equal to 1 by 3 into BC, right? BD equal to 1 by 3 into BC, right? See the answer. The answer is containing only AD and AB. That means we have to conclude our answers with respect to AD and AB. Therefore, everybody knows that AM is perpendicular to BC as well as MC is also perpendicular to AM, right? This is an observation. Therefore, what is BM? Naturally, what is the observation? I am talking about this, okay? Therefore, what is BM? BM equal to the full length BC divided by 2, okay? Okay, ultimately, since it is an equilateral triangle, what is the value of BM? BM equal to MC, as it is an equilateral triangle, right? Now what is the portion of DM? The portion of DM equal to BC minus BD minus MC, right? I think everybody understands what is going on. Okay, therefore see here, what is DM? BC minus BD minus MC. Remember, I have to put everything in one format. That is, I am writing everything in terms of BC. Therefore, BD equal to, what is given in the problem? It is given that 1 by 3 into BC, right? Therefore, convert it into BC by 3. And what is the next observation? This is BC by 2. If you put all together in that, I am getting BC by 6. Okay, right. Why I am doing like this? Because it is an equilateral triangle. I am putting everything into one format, right? Right. What is the next part? Now I have to come to my answer. My answer is containing only AD and AB. Now I am starting evaluating AD and AB from the given problem. Now take the triangle ABM and the other triangle ADM. Okay, right sir? Now, do you understand? Now, construct these two triangles ABM and ADM. Okay. Now, based on this construction, we have an equilateral, we have a Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square equal to AM square plus DM square. This everybody aware of this. Subtract these two quantities, that is AB square minus AM square, AD square. Therefore, I am substituting the values here. Ultimately, AM will be getting out. What is my balance? BM square minus DM square. DM we have already calculated here. Substitute it now. What is going to be BC? What is going to be BM? BM is going to be BC by 2. Therefore, if we evaluate here, what happens? I am getting 1 by 4 BC square minus 1 by 36 BC square. By having some simple calculation, we are getting 2 by 9 BC square. Therefore, the left hand side equal to 2 by 9 BC square. But it is an equilateral triangle, all are same. AB equal to BC equal to CA. Therefore, as our final answer needs only in terms of AB and AD, therefore convert this BC in terms of AB here. Therefore, AB square minus AD square equal to 2 by 9 into AB square. Bring this to the other side. Okay, bring this to the other side. If you bring this to the other side, we are getting AD square equal to 7 by 9 AB square. That is 7 AD square equal to, that is 9 AD square equal to 7 AB square. Therefore, this is a recurring question. Sir, this question is very much repeatedly asked in many CBSE question papers, and it is also a very famous question, right? Okay, see here, I have the PDF copy of this with me. Okay, go to the YouTube channel, click the description, in the description I have given a link. Click that link, fill the details, and by within 24 hours you will be getting the PDF of this sample question paper. Okay, right. The next problem is, find the, if the median of the following data is 16. I think now we are getting into the little bigger type of problems, right? 16, and find the missing frequencies A and B from the given table, and if suppose the total number of frequencies are 17, right? We have to estimate this A and B. It's a very simple question, usually asked in our problem, right? Okay, from the question what it is observed here, find the total of the frequencies. I have estimated here. See here, I have estimated in the separate table now. Okay, consider the table now. In the table I have worked out the in the table we have worked out the cumulative frequencies. Everybody knows how to find out that. Ultimately last we are getting 55 plus A plus B. But what is given in the problem? The total of the frequencies, that is sigma f is equal to 70, it is given in the problem, right? Right. Therefore what is the observation here from the table? Usually these two numbers matches, right? Okay. Therefore take this observation and put it in our problem, right? Okay. Therefore 55 plus A plus B equal to 70. That means I am getting, by bringing to this side, I am getting A plus B equal to 15. This is one equation. What is another thing given here? The median of the given set of data is 16, right? Okay, everybody knows the median formula. Okay, for to identify the median values, we have to estimate all the median class and all the other values, right? Okay, right. Therefore the median is given 16. Therefore 16 is near to here. That means what is the median class? The median class is 15 to 20. That is L equal to 15. What is the corresponding frequency? It is 15 here. What is the cumulative frequency? 24 plus A. What is N? N is the length of the interval, that is going to be 5. Therefore take all these answers and put it in this formula. That's the median formula, right? Therefore if you put it here, Already median is 16. Come on, put all the answers in the formula and make a simple calculation. Therefore we are getting 35 minus 24 plus a. Simplify your answers. That is 9 by a divided by 3. That means bring this 51 to 15 to other side. I am getting 1. Okay, we are getting 1. Therefore by estimation of this, we are getting a equal to 6. Already we have a relation. What is the relation? We have a plus 9 equal to a plus b equal to 15 we have, and one more answer we have, that is a equal to 6. By substituting here we are getting b equal to 9. Okay. Therefore the missing frequencies are estimated based on this evaluation, right? Thank you. Right. Now let us move on to question number 32. Right. If the angle of elevation of a top of a candle from two coins A and B, two coins at a distance A and B with A greater than B from its base and in the same straight line from it are of 30 degree and 60 degree, then find the height of the candle, right? See here, therefore this is coin A and this is coin B. What is the condition given here? A is greater than B, that is the distance of A will be more than the distance of B. Okay, and it is of 30 degree and 60 degree. It is 30 degree and 60 degree. Therefore we have to find the height of the candle. Therefore this is the candle space placed here. From the height of the candle it is, okay, I think everybody can understand the diagram. The angle of elevation formed is 30 degree and 60 degree. With the reference we have to find this, right? Therefore clearly what is the observation here? Clearly this ABC forms a triangle. In the same way the ABD also forms a triangle. Okay, right. Now for making use of these two triangle observations, we have to bring our answers. Now let us start from the triangle ABC. Everybody knows AB by BC equal to tan theta, but the angle of inclination is 60 degree. Okay, angle of inclination is 60 degree. That is AB equal to, it is going to be h, the height of the candle. Okay. Then next is BC. Everybody knows BC is going to be B. That means, okay, h by b equal to root of 3. That means h is equal to b root 3, right? Come on, start up with the next triangle A, B and C. By the observation it is going to be 30 degree. That is h by a equal to 1 by root 3. That means h is equal to a by root 3. What is our aim? Our aim of the problem is to climb the height of the candle, right? Therefore we have two equations here, equations 1 and 2. Take these two equations, that is h multiplied by h, that is equal to this. Therefore ultimately what happens here, root 3 and root 3 will be getting eliminated. That is h square equal to AB. That is h is equal to square root of AB units. That is the height of the candle is going to be square root of AB units here, right? Right. The next problem is, the mode of the given data is 67 and we have to find out the missing frequency x, right? That means in the problem mode is given. Based on the available mode, we have to estimate this x value, right? Okay. Therefore mode means the maximum frequency, right? And the value of the mode is given as 67. Therefore naturally it belongs to this model class. Okay, that is 60 to 70. Okay, therefore now everybody knows the formula, mode equal to, okay, we are aware of the mode formula, that is L minus, right, that is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 etc. Everybody knows this, right? Therefore we have to observe the values, all these things given in the formula, right? Therefore from the given observations What is our F naught? The model class is 60 to 70. Okay, therefore what is our X naught? F naught equal to X, F1 equal to 15 and F2 equal to 12, and this is going to be my model class. Therefore what is L? L is going to be 60, and what is the H is equal to be the length of the class interval. It is observed to be 10. Okay, therefore take all these answers and substitute in your formula. Okay, right, therefore put everything here. If you put it here, we are getting the mode formula. Mode is already given in your question, that is 67 equal to 60 plus 15 minus x divided by 30 minus x by 12 into 10. I think we can able to bring this 60 to this side. That is ultimately by reducing this, we are getting 7 into 18 minus x is equal to 150 minus 10x. Come on, further simplify the factors by multiplying this. If you multiply, finally we are getting 3x is equal to 24. That is the missing value. X is going to be, that means the missing value is 8 is going to be x equal to 8. Right? Right. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 34. Two palm trees, okay, of equal heights. See, two palm trees of equal heights. Let us take h as the height of the palm trees, which is placed standing opposite on either side of the river. Therefore this is the river, okay, which is standing on the either side, the which is of 80 meters wide, okay, which is given to be 80 meter wide. From the point O between them, this is the point O. Okay, the angle of elevations from the top of the tree is 60 degree and 30 degree. If this is the situation, the question asked is find the height of the trees as well as the distances of the point O from the trees, right? Okay, therefore two question has been asked in our problem. It is a familiar question, famous question. Usually it is asked in each and every examination, right? Right. Therefore let us take h as the height of the palm tree. Okay, based on the angle of inclination, angle of inclination, we are evaluating tan 60. Based on which triangle? The first one, that is PQO. Okay, therefore same like this, tan 60 equal to square root of 3, which implies h is equal to x into square root of 3. Okay, in the same context, consider the second triangle, that is ORS. From this, what is tan 30? That is equal to h minus 80 by x, opposite side by adjacent side, that is h by 80 minus x. We are making an evaluation here. Come on, bring this 80 minus x to other side and root 3 to this side. That is, we are getting h into square root of 3. Okay, now what is h value here? That is equal to x into square root of 3. Therefore combinedly, by combining these two terms, we are getting 3x. That means finally we are getting x is equal to 20. Therefore what is the question asked? We have to find the height of the trees as well as the distances of the point O from the tree. Therefore what is the formula for h? H is observed to be x into square root of 3. Therefore x value has been observed from here. Therefore substitute this 20 here. That means the height of the palm tree is 20 into square root of 3. And the next point is we want to find the distances. Okay, I think the total width is 80. If we take this as x, okay, naturally x is equal to 20. What is the other component? 80 minus x, that is equal to 60. Now let us move on to the R part. If you see the R part, the angle of depression of a top of a bottom and a building 50 meters high are observed from the top of a tower of 30-degree and 60-degree respectively. Therefore, there is a building, it is of 50 meters. This is a tower. Therefore, from the tower, the top of the building as well as top of the building as well as bottom of the building has been observed. It is preferred to have the angle 30-degree as well as 60-degree. Let us take h as the height of the tower. Already it is given the building height is 50 meters. If it is 50 meters means naturally this portion, the length will be 50 meters, and based on the observations, clearly this forms a square. Okay, clearly this forms a square. Therefore, if you take this BC equal to x means as it is a square, this also equal to x. Okay, right. Now, if we take h as the height of the tower, since it is 50 meters, naturally this is going to be h minus 50. Okay, right. Therefore, we have some observations from the given problem. Now, let us move on to the question what to be found out. We have to work out the height of the tower as well as the horizontal distances between the building as well as the towers. Right? Right. Right. Let's see here. Okay, now the problem is clear. We want to find the horizontal distance, that is x, as well as height of the height of the tower, right? Therefore, once again we have to start from the angle, that is 760 equal to h by x. Okay, everybody knows tan 60 is square root of 3. That means h is equal to x into square root of 3. Make it as equation 1. Then once again work on this 30-degree, that is tan 30 equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is h minus 50 by x. This is going to be 1 by root 3. Okay, 1 by root 3 means same, work out the same calculations, bring this x to other side and bring this root 3 to this side. That means we are getting x is equal to h into h minus 50 into root of 3. But already we got it in equation 1, h is equal to x into square root of 3. Therefore, multiply together. That means x into root 3 into root 3 will become 3x. This is going to be 50 root 3. Therefore, come on, rearrange the terms. Bring this 50 root 3 to the other side, x to this side. That means we are getting 2x is equal to 50 root 3. That means x is equal to 25 root 3. Okay, right. Therefore, if x is equal to 25 root 3 means what is going to be the height of the tower? If x is equal to 25 root 3 means what is going to be the height of the tower? H is equal to, what is that? H is equal to 25 into the root 3 into root 3, it is going to be 3. That is equal to 75 meters. Okay, right. Then, and the next question asked in the problem is the distances between them, right? Naturally, the x is going to be the distances between them. It is already estimated, that is 25 square root of 3. Okay, right. The question is very clear from here. Now let us move on to the next question, problem number 35. 35 is slightly thinkable questions. You see here the difficulty level, that is the difficulty level, I mean that the level of questions are increased. Okay, in the earlier sessions the answers are within 2-3 steps, but in this session the answers are little, we have to work out more. Okay, right, let it be. Now see here, water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe. Okay, water is flowing through a cylindrical pipe with the internal diameter of 2 centimeter. If the internal diameter is 2 centimeter means what is the radius? It is going to be 1 centimeter. Okay, and it is flowing into a cylindrical tank. It is flowing into a cylindrical tank whose base radius is 40 centimeter. Let us call it as capital R. Okay, and what is the rate of flow? The rate of flow is given as 0.7 meters per second. Okay, okay. Now we have to estimate the how much will the water rise in the tank in half an hour. Okay, therefore half, but the here the rate is given to be in minutes, but the question is asked in hours, right? Okay, let us move on to the answer. Therefore keep these settings in the mind. Okay, now what is the rate of flow per second? It is going to be 0.7. Okay, everybody knows for 1 minute it is 60 seconds. That means 60 multiplied by 0.7. Therefore, what is the total rate of water flow per 1 minute? 1 minute equal to 4.2 meters, right? Therefore, come to and therefore come for half an hour. What happens to half an hour? Half an hour means 30 minutes. If 1 minute is 4.2, then what is half an hour? This is going to be 30 multiplied by 4.2. That is going to be 12.6. Right? Now let us move on to the next question. How much will the water rise in the tank within half an hour? That means we have to find the rate of increasing level of water. Right? Okay, one point we have to observe. Okay, we have to estimate the volume of the water traveled, volume of the water passing through this pipe, and the same quantity is going to be observed here, right? Therefore, the volume traveled through the pipe should be compared with respect to the rise in water, right? Therefore, estimate the volume traveled to the pipe. That is, what is the volume of the cylinder? It is pi r square h. Everything is available, right? Pi r square h. Therefore, pi, the radius is 1. What is height? It is going to be 1260. Okay, it is going to be 1260. Okay, because it is represented in terms of centimeter. Understand? Therefore, 1260 pi centimeter cube. Now, what is going to be the volume of the water in the tank? What is going to be the volume of the water in the tank? Because whatever the water came through the cylindrical pipe, the same water is stored in the cylindrical tank. Okay, therefore volume traveled to the pipe will be equal to the volume of the water inside the tank. That means this is going to be 160. Okay, this is going to be 160 pi. But everybody knows what is the volume of the cylindrical tank. This is once again pi r square h. Okay, it is in terms of capital letters, right? Because it is okay, but it is given that the radius is equal to 40 and h is equal to 1260. That means h is equal to 63 by 80. Therefore, h is equal to 63 by 80. Therefore, what is going to be the rise of water in the tank within half an hour? That is going to be 60. I think this is the last question of your sample question paper. If you students, if you need this PDF version of this standard max sample question paper, in this YouTube description box, there is a link I have provided. If you click that link, it gives rise to a Google form. Fill that Google form and submit to that. By submission, I will be sending you the solution PDF to your mail ID, what provided in the Google form, by 24 hours, right? Okay, don't forget to fill that form. By filling the form only, you can able to get that, right? Okay, now let us go to the last problem. That is, a motorboat covers a distance 16 km from upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. At the same time, it covers a distance of 12 km upstream and 36 km downstream. Find the speed of the boat in the still water and that of the stream. This is a famous problem. Usually everybody knows about this. Okay, let us take x and y is the speed of the boat in still water as well as in the stream water. Everybody knows in the upstream it is going to be x minus y, and it is in the downstream it is going to be x plus y. And also we know that the time taken equal to distance divided by speed. Therefore, let us move on to the first question. That is the first situation, 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream. That is, that is going to be 16 by x minus y divided plus 24 by x plus y equal to 6. The same thing, 12 kilometer upstream and 36 kilometer downstream, it is going to be in the same context, 12 divided by x minus y plus 36 by x plus y equal to 6. Okay, now we have two equations here. Naturally we have to solve these two equations. What is our conventional method? Okay, take a equal to 1 by x minus y and b equal to 1 by x plus y. Okay, now convert these equations, that is 16a plus 24b equal to 6. Okay, in the same context we are getting 12a plus 36b is equal to 6. Okay, now we have to solve. This is nothing but solving two equations. What I have done is I have divided this equation by 2 and I have divided this equation by 6. Okay, I am getting equation 3 and 4. I think the solving procedure I have explained here. Okay, by solving this we are getting b equal to 1 by 12 and substituting b here we are getting a equal to 1 by 4. Therefore take that answers a and b, substitute in these two formats. Okay, that means b equal to 1 by x plus y, but what is b here? B equal to 1 by 12. That means 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 12, that is x plus y equal to 12. In the same logic, x minus y equal to 4. Come on, solve these two equations by cancelling y and y. 2x is equal to 16. 2x is equal to 16 means x is equal to 8. Take x is equal to 8 and put it in one of the equations. If I put x is equal to 8, what is going to be y? Y is equal to 12 minus 8, which is going to be 4. Okay, right. Therefore we got the speed of the boat in the still water as well as in the stream water here. Thank you. Therefore once again